Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. AI is a multidisciplinary field that combines computer science, mathematics, statistics, and cognitive science to create intelligent systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions. There are many different types of AI systems, ranging from rule-based systems that follow specific instructions, to machine learning systems that can learn from data, to deep learning systems that can process vast amounts of information using neural networks. AI has numerous applications across different industries and fields, such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and education. For example, AI can be used to diagnose diseases, detect fraud, drive autonomous vehicles, and personalize learning. While AI has many benefits, it also poses significant challenges and limitations. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that AI systems are unbiased, ethical, and transparent. Another challenge is addressing the potential job displacement caused by automation and AI. Despite these challenges, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live and work in the future. Some of the current and future trends in AI include the development of more sophisticated natural language processing, the integration of AI with other emerging technologies like the Internet of Things and blockchain, and the emergence of AI-powered virtual assistants. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to transform our world in many ways. While there are challenges and limitations to be addressed, AI holds immense promise for improving our lives and creating new opportunities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.